Hello everyone, welcome to Wondershare Filmora tutorials. In this video we are going to see that how can we insert a video clip in between a particular video clip, or how can we merge two video clips. Okay, so for this what we need is two video clips. So one video clip I have is in this 9:16 aspect ratio, and the second is in the 16:9, that is a portrait aspect ratio. Okay, so in Wondershare Filmora, basically you can even merge videos with two different aspect ratios. The only issue that we are going to face here is that if we just try to play this portrait video, if we just double click on it and we try to play it, then what you see is this blank screen, this black bars on the either side. So this is how it would be exported. It won't be exported on the portrait format but in the landscape format. So on the either side there would be some blank screen. Okay, so that's the only issue that we're going to face. Otherwise we can simply merge two videos together of different aspect ratio in Wondershare Filmora, which is a very good thing. So without any further ado, let us just see how do we insert the clip in between. First of all, you select the clip where you want to insert. Okay, so let's just get this clip, and in between this clip I want to insert. So I have to select where I want to insert. So just after the jump, or maybe just before the jump. Yeah, here they are in the airplane. That's where I want to insert my clip. Okay, so I just click on the scissors icon that will split the video. Then I will get this video 2 and I will just drag it on the second on the video track that is currently holding my video. Okay, and then just drop it over here. Now what happens is this whole clip is inserted in the between. Okay, if we just play it like this, that's how it's looking. And if we just stop it over here and continue, then this whole video will play, this whole portrait video, and once it ends then this video clip will continue. Now if you just want to decrease the duration, you can simply just do that using the slider. Suppose I just want to keep it for a mere of 2 seconds. So 2.02 seems good enough. Let's just go all the way back to the very first frame and play it now to see how it is looking. So my widescreen video is playing, then my portrait video comes for 2 seconds, and then my widescreen video resumes. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.